Dyeing hair permanently with chemical dyes is not damage-free. Dyeing hair with natural dyes is effective, but needs its sweet time. So how to cover grey hair quickly for the party you have tomorrow, that you need perfect hair for? It is possible. A quick, damage-free, effective, conditioning and trusted way of covering grey hair quickly. The answer lies in your kitchen. This foolproof, at-home DIYs will not only protect your graying hair but will also add hydration and volume to them. So head to your kitchen to weapon yourself against graying hair. Coffee and coconut oil mask. Coffee is rich in flavonoids, an abundant antioxidant that supplies color as well as protects your hair from damage. This dry ingredient, when paired with an occupant like coconut oil, will activate its melanoidins. These molecules have a dark color and can bind to the hair strands, temporarily altering the hair's color to a darker brown. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and mix it with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the gray areas. Leave it on for at least an hour before rinsing it out with water. Coffee may help to darken hair, while coconut oil can moisturize and nourish it. Use a sulfate-free shampoo, with conditioning abilities like Sattva's argan oil shampoo in order to lock in the color for 2 to 3 washes. Henna Mask. Henna has earned the trust of generations for a valid reason. Henna is used as a traditional hair dye in many parts of the world, particularly in India and the Middle East. Some people believe that applying henna to the hair can help to prevent graying because it is thought to strengthen the hair and make it less prone to breakage. Mix henna powder with hot water to create a thick paste. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to the mixture and apply it to your hair, focusing on the gray areas. Leave it on for a few hours before rinsing it out with water. Henna may help to add a reddish tint to the hair, which can help to disguise gray hairs. So today you learned about the coffee and coconut oil mask, the henna mask. That's all for today. We will catch you next time.